Ooh, MTS stereo. DBX MTS stereo. Huh. Okay. It's on here going. I don't know why. That's normal. Ooh, it's fuzzy. Yeah, it looks good. I don't know why it's... You know, though... It's kind of jumpy, but you can't see it on camera. Wow. Another low hour set. And I got it for free. That's ridiculous. Look how clean that is. Look how awful this lighting is. Oh! My brain started working. Oh, that's the only filthy thing. Ah, Dergunder Husher Splusher. Toshiba, yeah, nice. Some of the 19-inch Toshiba sets had RCA tubes, and a lot of them had Toshiba tubes. Like, wow. My 32-inch Toshiba has the same kind of green label. Oh, it's kind of scratchy. Voice coils messed up. Yeah, you still can't really see the... I mean, you can see the shadow mask, but you can't really see the scan lines. But yeah, it's closer up than it was a second ago. Brightness is way too high. Sounds pretty good. Could use a little bit more treble.